Here's a little trick to drill a perfect hole every time. Go in reverse for about a second. Flip it forward. Perfect edge every time.
Frustrated with your miters? Try this. Hook together 3 pieces, scribe in the 4th. Cut proud of your new line. Adjust your miter saw for your new angle and make your final cut. Hook in your final piece. Works like a charm every time. Pass it on. Tell a friend. Don't get bit like this from your drill press. To avoid accidents with small parts at the drill press, I built this drill press table with a removable centerpiece and a built-in clamp for smalls. Hold small pieces with big drill bits, no problems. Need a dent taken out of your finished project? All you need is a wet paper towel and a household iron. You know that? Nice, all gone. If you don't like finishing your shop furniture that you build, then try this. Get some paste wax, any paste wax. Throw it on there, fast, easy, no dry time. What are you waiting for? Give it a try. To avoid this and this one simple tip will keep you safe at the miter saw. Cut it, leave it down till the blade stops, and then remove the piece of wood. It's that simple. Stop trying to do it like this. Stop trying to pull out a nail like this. You're going to break your hammer. Instead, turn it sideways, get a bite, and slowly work it out. It's that easy. Take the nail with 2 fingers, right here, just watch Papa. Go right here, tap it, and then hit it down, like that. Grab your speed square. For a visual, keep your drill, it's not like this, it's not like this, just to keep it straight. You know you're good this way, drill down. After cutting out a few boards, I found this to be helpful. Take your pattern and then your up next pattern and scribe it. Mine was off just a little bit, so I remarked it and cut out the new line, and it fit much better. First, get a small bite with the crowbar, get the 2x4 underneath there, get another bite, get a bigger bite, get your scale, a couple blocks so it rests on there evenly, slide it next to the box, get your crowbar, get a bite, get a bigger bite with the 2x4 and slide that scale underneath there. So, yep, you got it. There you go, perfect. Now let's see what it says. We're like right at 180, just a few pounds shy. Let's see what the other side says. Right at 180. A lot of so-called experts say a Harbor Freight chisel cannot be properly flattened and sharpened.